5 scientifically proven anti-aging stretches. Welcome, wellness seekers. Are you ready to unlock the secret to feeling younger, more flexible, and more energetic? Aging isn't just about wrinkles and gray hair, it's about how you feel. And today I'm sharing the ultimate solution to aging gracefully: stretching. These 5 anti-aging stretches are backed by science and designed to keep your body moving, your joints healthy, and your energy flowing. So grab a mat, set aside some time for yourself, and let's dive into these life-enhancing movements. As we age, our bodies naturally lose flexibility, posture suffers, and stiffness can creep in. But here's the good news. Adding the right stretches to your routine can combat these effects. Stretching keeps your muscles loose, improves blood circulation, and even reduces the risk of injury. Science shows that maintaining mobility directly impacts how youthful we feel. Think of stretching as your body's personal reboot button, promoting vitality from within. Aging doesn't mean we have to slow down. It just requires us to move smarter. And today, I'll show you 5 easy, science-proven stretches to help you look and feel younger every single day. Let's start with our first movement, a dynamic and rejuvenating stretch for your spine. First up is the cat-cow pose, a gentle yet highly effective movement for your spinal health. Your spine is your body's central support. Keeping it flexible is key to maintaining good posture and preventing stiffness as you age. Here's how to do it. Begin on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Inhale deeply as you drop your belly, lift your head and chest toward the sky, and arch your back. This is the cow position. Exhale slowly while rounding your spine, tucking your chin to your chest, and pulling your belly toward your spine. This is the cat position. Alternate between these 2 motions for 8 to 10 slow, controlled breaths. Why it works. This stretch increases flexibility in your spine, lubricates your vertebra, and reduces tension in your back and shoulders. It's like a chiropractic adjustment you can do at home. Bonus tip: coordinate your breaths with the movement for even deeper relaxation. Feel that energy flowing already? Let's move on to the next one. The forward fold is a classic stretch that targets your hamstrings and lower back. Tight hamstrings can pull on your spine, leading to discomfort and poor posture over time. This stretch counteracts these effects and promotes a youthful, upright stance. How to perform it. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale deeply, elongate your spine, and then slowly hinge forward from your hips. Let your upper body relax and place your hands on the floor or rest them on your shins. Go as far as your body allows. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds, breathing deeply. Why it works. The forward fold gently stretches the hamstrings and lower back, improving flexibility in the posterior chain of your body. Enhanced circulation from this pose even helps with skin health by delivering oxygen-rich blood to your cells. Pro tip: if you're a beginner, bend your knees slightly to avoid straining your lower back. Flexibility increases over time, so be patient with yourself. Up next, we'll focus on keeping your spine properly aligned and your core strong, 2 essentials for aging gracefully. The cobra pose is your go-to for strengthening your back and counteracting poor posture. Slumping over time compresses the spine, causing us to look and feel older. But this stretch reverses that, lifting your chest while elongating the muscles in your torso. Here's how you do it. Lie face down on your mat with your legs extended and your hands placed under your shoulders. Inhale as you push through your palms to lift your chest off the ground. Elongate your spine, keeping your elbows bent and your shoulders pulled back. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds while breathing calmly. Exhale as you slowly lower back down to the mat. Why it works. The cobra pose stretches and strengthens your lower back, alleviates tension, and enhances posture. It also tones your abdominal area, giving your core a boost to support your spine naturally. Safety tip: avoid overextending. Lift only as far as you're comfortable to prevent strain in your lower back. Now that your energy is lifting, let's turn our attention to releasing tightness in your hips. As we age, the hips are one of the first areas to lose flexibility. That's why the butterfly stretch, targeting your hips, inner thighs, and groin, is a must for maintaining mobility and avoiding stiffness. Here's how to stretch like a pro. Sit on your mat with your back straight and the soles of your feet pressed together. Hold your feet with both hands and gently let your knees drop toward the floor. Relax into the pose, leaning slightly forward to deepen the stretch if comfortable. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds while breathing deeply. Why it works. The butterfly stretch opens the hips and relieves tension caused by our modern habits of sitting for long periods. Healthy hip mobility improves balance and reduces strain on the lower back, keeping you moving freely. Can't go all the way down? No problem. Place cushions under your knees for support and build your flexibility gradually. Now let's end on a high note with our most restorative stretch. The fifth and final stretch is the child's pose, a restorative position that targets your entire body while calming your mind. Stretching is about more than physical health. It also reduces stress, which can accelerate aging. How to perform this soothing pose. Start on your knees with your big toes touching and sit back onto your heels. Extend your arms forward and lower your torso to the mat, bringing your forehead to the ground or resting it on a cushion. Stretch your arms forward for a full body release or rest them by your sides for a more relaxed variation. Hold the pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute, focusing on slow, steady breaths. Why it works. The child's pose lengthens the spine, stretches your shoulders and hips, and promotes deep relaxation. It's the perfect stretch to reset your body and mind, helping you feel rejuvenated and centered. Pro tip, use this pose anytime you feel tension or need a moment to recharge. It's especially effective before bed for restful sleep. Let's quickly review the 5 anti-aging stretches we covered. Keeps your spine mobile and releases tension in the back. Forward fold lengthens your hamstrings and improves lower back flexibility. Cobra pose strengthens your core, aligns your spine, and restores posture. Butterfly stretch keeps your hips and inner thighs limber and reduces stiffness. Child's pose promotes deep relaxation, elongates the spine, and eases tension. When practiced consistently, these stretches work together to keep your body supple, your joints healthy, and your energy vibrant. Remember, the fountain of youth isn't an external product. It's how you take care of your body from the inside out. Thank you for joining me on this wellness journey. These anti-aging stretches are not just exercises. They're acts of self-care that nurture both your body and mind. Aging gracefully isn't about striving for perfection. It's about investing in yourself, staying mobile, and feeling your best at every stage of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more wellness tips and solutions. Take a moment today to commit to a stretch routine and watch as your posture improves, tension fades, and youthful energy returns. Let's celebrate the incredible ability of your body to heal, grow, and stay strong. See you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring the power of movement for wellness. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and most importantly, stay you.